welcome back to Mama's Kitchen. So today I got another candy box and I'm going to open it.
Woo!
So I think this is the August box.
Really nice.
There we go.
How much do you love the candy?
Smells weird.
Smells like candy.
Okay.
Love candy.
Whoa. So it looks totally different. What?
Oh,
So we have, this is the August box. And we have so many different candies. There's like these lolly things.
lollipops.
There's nerds. Ooh, this is like a chewy caramel with a cream center. Sweet tarts.
Oh,
Candy buttons.
candy.
More of these. It's red licorice pipes. More nerds. Smarties.
Smarties.
This thing. Don't know what that is. That it's like crunchy peanut butter.
I know what I'll be having.
Oh, this looks good. It's handmade milk chocolate coated marshmallow with cashews.
That's one for mommy.
Yeah. These lollipops. Ooh, pixie sticks. I never tried these before.
Pixie sticks.
Lots and lots of nerds.
Nerds.
You know what this is?
Yeah, can I smell them?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, they smell good.
Caramel pops.
Caramel.
Pixie sticks. More pixie sticks. Laffy Taffy. More lollipops. More Laffy Taffy. And more of these weird candies. There's so many candies.
Well, I know I'm gonna eat them.
These are all the candies. Subscribe to my channel. And I hope you like it. Bye, guys.
Bye, Rhea.